What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. We're taking a look at Ethereum today on the daily time frame, and we can see after this higher low, which actually at that moment invalidated some bearish targets after the
complex fucking pullback. That's all it is.
it looks like we're trying to come up to this high and take it out. So this is about $2,000. We're going to use it as our psychological level essentially. So we want to see, of course, the daily candle closes above $2,000, but we do have a 618 wick over here, level over here to $2,100. What I'm going to do is actually move this to the top over here, see if it makes any difference. So yeah, it's just saying the 0.5 fib is there instead, and that your bear market level over here at about $2,600, it could still serve as some sort of resistance because this is where the golden pocket is. So this could be a point of rejection, bearing in mind that the 786 is actually the deepest you can retrace. So could we be in for a massive pump above the bear market level? So essentially what we were saying back over here is if we ever lose that higher low, which we did over here, that is our bear market. On the daily, on the weekly, especially the weekly, this is why I started to sell all my cryptos over here. With that dump down below 2,600 Bitcoin, it was about 39k. That is where I got out of crypto, 50%, and started reaccumulating down here. With Ethereum, it didn't go lower. For Bitcoin, it did. For some alts, it did. For other alts, they did not, like your Ethereum, XRP, Quant, for example. They've all put in higher lows for the moment, or they just haven't continued lower, for example. So because that's put a higher low, we're getting pulled towards like a magnet to this area over here. So we're going to have to get the magnet tool. I don't know why it's always upside down, but yeah, there we go. We're getting pulled towards this 0.5 fib if we're measuring from the top to the bottom over here, and a reclaim of this bear market level, which would mean, of course, we'd have to flip it green and say now yes, it's back into a bull market. But yeah, we now need to clear this high over here at $3,563. So that's the weekly time frame. Hope you guys are enjoying today's video update so far. It is just going to be a short one today. Look at that, we did actually pump above the 200, but you can see there's no pullbacks really, guys. This is our first to retest the 200 over here, and we did put in that higher high. We are running into this, so big warning that this could be a double top. We really need to be careful here. We need to hold these moving averages to have another go at this, otherwise it could be back down to these lows over here, this resistance to retest the support. If not, we're coming back down to this higher low over here, or this low over here. We'll just play it out day by day. It won't happen in one day, god no it won't. So yeah, day by day we'll play it out. We'll look at this in a bit more detail now on the 15-minute time frame. But yeah, remember, don't forget on the higher time frames, with this higher low we formed over here, after putting in this big push up, you've retraced to the golden pocket, almost deep as the 786. So it's showing you can lose the golden pocket. It looks like you've created the reversal wave to go to the one and continue lower, but then it's climbed back up above it. Yes, a few fake outs, but eventually, yeah, it didn't even give us a chance this time, did it? Because look, you didn't even hold a higher low on it. You didn't hold it as support, essentially, just got above it and then boom, took off. So it literally left everyone behind. So yeah, at that point over there, of course, I'm still expecting lower prices. I was expecting, okay, we're going to, this was our fake out, so we're coming down just to retest it to continue lower to our $1,000 target. There was a target about here in this demand zone out of this head and shoulders pattern. Target out of there, put it on the breakdown, and we had, well, I have to do it properly, don't I? There we go. Oh, here we go. So just a little bit above $1,000 over there, or actually $995. So this was the head and shoulders pattern, and of course, if you ever take this out, you actually invalidate it. So that is very interesting because we're yet to invalidate this. That means, yeah, we're yet to invalidate $1,000, although we've literally pumped an insane amount from almost the 786 fib down at 1,070 all the way up to 1,681, guys, a 56% pump from down there. This is incredible because we're still not out of the woods just yet. We're still potentially could be double topping here. We don't want that to happen. We'll go over to the lower time frames right now. But yeah, I need to take out this head and shoulders neckline. Well, where have we seen this before? If you've been following on with the quant updates, you've seen this before. And actually, I said to everyone, if you see this getting rejected, this is where we want to sell. So if we go over to quant really quickly, we were saying that over here we had this good old head and shoulders pattern from 2021, the end of 2021, where I was calling for this dump to $70, getting trolled multiple times on these pumps up. But I was basically saying, even if you get above this red box, it's not good enough. We have to get above this. As long as you're below this, there's still chances of going down. Yeah, we didn't get up there, but eventually in the future, when we touched it, I said, guys, this is our sell signal. I'm going to start buying back on the $120, which was that resistance, this purple resistance over here. So yeah, we were waiting for a loss of $100 for this continuing down to 83, an earlier loss of that, then you continue lower. No loss of 100, you're not getting 83, and of course no loss of 83, you're not getting lower prices. So we put in that small double bottom over here, and yeah, reclaimed it. So this is looking all good, but again, the same thing, you need to take out this to flip it bullish. I know this is an Ethereum update, but I needed to show you that yeah, you can still get rejected harshly. Yes, it's actually putting a higher low. We over here, you haven't gone lower than this low, and then we're heading back up. But yeah, and key resistances need to break above them, and that's going to be the same thing for Ethereum. So we're building up the steam to actually go ahead and break this. What is unfortunate is how quickly we climbed up. So if we do get rejected, you're going to go down just as fast, basically. So now let's head over to the lower time frames. We know that that red box is a potential M pattern area, and then we can see already putting in these lower highs. Looking at the lows, we've still got higher lows, so could we keep that and put in a higher high? We'll look at that today. This was Saturday over the weekend. No, wrong one. This was over the weekend over here. There we go, new high set on the weekend. And then we actually have a higher high over here. So from the highest point back down to the lowest point after that. And then if we zoom in, I'm going to draw a golden pocket. We're currently under it, so these are not the best signs. So what I really need to see right now is Ethereum waking up, getting itself back above that golden pocket. So I'll draw out the golden pocket over here. We really need to see Ethereum waking up and getting back above 1,642. Only then we're continuing this pump. Again, a close below 1,600. We'll call it 1,600 because look, the wick down there, 1,602. So if we're closing below 1,600, then we're heading back down to the zero fib. I can't say for certain we're going to close below this, but if you're seeing it, then yeah, this is the short op. That would be our top. Only once you're losing that, you've got these targets. Okay? Only once you're losing that. If it's not being lost, and in actual fact, what have we just said? We need to lose 1,600 on the dot. So if we're not doing that, and we're not going down. So if we're not going down, we're going up. So as long as we are above 1,600, chances are we're actually forming some sort of double bottom over here. We just need to break this neckline, which is the 382 fib. And of course, once we are above the golden pocket and holding that as support, so we need to see something like this where this is a small double bottom. Let's hold above 160 over here, form this double bottom, climb back up into this golden pocket and take out that 786 fib. We really need to do that because you can actually retrace into that and still continue lower. So we need to get above that. Once we're above the 786 and taking out the 1 fib level, we're onwards and upwards to these targets over here. So this is how we head up to that head and shoulders neckline. We need to hold the 0 fib, hold 1,600. This is our key area of demand between 1,584 and 1,600. Remain above that. It's going to give us this opportunity again. We need to flip the golden pocket into support to create the reversal wave and take out that 786 fib to push through the 1 fib level and head to 1.7 to 1.75k. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to check out those channel memberships, please do so. Almost 5,000, not even 10 people on the memberships as of yet. But if you want to actually be taught this, step by step, whether that's in your own time through a 6-hour long course teaching you from zero knowledge, or you want me to sit down with you. The course would be included in both. The crypto chat is included, where people are showing their past trades, trade ideas, any investments or whatever cryptos that they're personally looking at, my own trades, reviewing my trades in depth, so you guys are learning, so you can of course become successful in itself by just learning off my trades. And of course any further detailed updates, well, such as videos or just chat updates, are going to be in there. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you want to take action, hit the link underneath this video. It will take you to my Twitter, where you just private message me and we'll get you started today. Thank you guys.